Hightail it. Fast track your English idioms. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, hightail it. This is a fun and expressive idiom that's quite popular in English conversations. Stick around to find out when and how to use it. Hightail it is an idiom that originates from the way some animals, like deer, lift their tails up when they are running away quickly from danger. In everyday English, when someone says they're going to hightail it out of a place, it means they're planning to leave very quickly, often to avoid trouble or to get somewhere in a hurry. This idiom has its roots in the American West, where observing wildlife was a part of daily life. Over time, hightailing became associated with a quick escape, and by the early 20th century, it had made its way into common vernacular. Now, let's look at how hightail it is used in sentences. As soon as the bell rang, the kids hightailed it out of school. When the boss started handing out assignments, I hightailed it to the break room. The moment I saw the storm clouds, I hightailed it back home. You can use hightail it in informal situations when you want to describe leaving a place quickly. It's not used in formal writing or speech, but it's perfect for casual conversations and storytelling. Sometimes you might hear variations like hightailing out of there or hightailed it. They all carry the same meaning and can be used interchangeably. We hope you enjoyed learning about the idiom, hightail it. Try using it in your next English conversation when you're talking about moving fast or leaving quickly. Thanks for watching, and we hightail it to you to continue learning English in fun ways like this.